Hi, boys and girls. Today we'll be working with digraphs. Digraphs are two letters that make one sound. So you will see both letters on one card. So let's look at our first digraph. SH. SH, ship, sh. Echo. SH, ship, sh. Good. Let's look at the next card. CH. CH, chin, ch. CH, chin, ch. Our third digraph is TH. This one, you want to put your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. TH, thumb, TH, thumb. The next digraph is WH. WH, whistle, w. WH, whistle, w. And the last digraph is CK. CK, sock, k. CK, sock, k. And you'll notice that you'll hear the k sound at the end of sock. So whenever you hear the k sound at the end of the word, most likely it will be ending with the CK digraph. Good job, boys and girls.